Welcome to the knowledge series and the easy way to basics of LaTeX. Today you are going to learn on bibliography. This is the reference book. Bibliography consists of several standards of files, and it is used to represent the citations that is being used for writing journals, reports, or any articles. Particularly in the bibliography, we are going to use bibtex. That is the basic command we will be using. As you can see here, this is one of the cited references being shown, where Leslie Laporte, the author's name, the book over which this particular citation is being shown, that is the LaTeX, a document preparation systems, and this addition we'll see is a publishers, and it was published. Publisher has published this book with the second editions in the year 1994. So this is how the reference is being cited. If you see the bibliography mode of writing the command, it is begin the bibliography with whenever we want to cite, we will write underscore backslash with bib items within a curly bracket 1, that is a Leslie Laporte, and this is how we present the book title. And if you again there is a second reference that is a backslash bib items 2. Here is the reference is being shown, and backslash mph with respect to the title. And similarly we can proceed with the number of references or number of reference cited commands. And since we start with the begin the bibliography, and then the bibliography, when we execute, automatically this will represent the references. Citations is basically is used to cite the reference number over the text. So this is a text over which you are using a command like a backslash cite with the cite key. That is the number which you would like to highlight. So based on that, you will be able to represent the exact cited number over the text. Because when you are writing a journal for a book, if on a particular page you want to cite the reference number, so automatically by giving us a command backslash cite with the cited key, automatically it will be giving a reference with respect to the exact number. Or when you take the author's name, automatically it will be giving with respect to the key numbers. So like that, you can able to create a site. You will see these examples. So here the command is being used, backslash begin list within an underscore within the curly brace items with the font that is being used with the count. This is the command that is being used with respect to the citations. But always remember, when we start with the bibliography, we start with begin bibliography, and on the next line is a bib item, the authors, and then with the end bibliography. So in the same way, when we go to the citations, we have to go with the backslash cite reference. So this is a bibliography. You can see here, you can there is a numbering is being shown over here, 1, 2, 3, and this numbering has been popped up based on the citations number, which you can see here, the 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3 will automatically pop over here over the text. So when you write that text, so let us straightway go to our text work, and we studio, and we will try to see exactly how this particular operation is being carried out. Now here, as you all know, the minimal code for running a LaTeX, the document class is a report. The report is considered as an argument, and here the begin document is there, so automatically the end document is coming, and you start with the begin bibliography and 9. Assume, as considering that you are having a 9 reference, assume. So you can create a number of cited references. Now here is given \bib item Lamport 94. So we will see when we run how exactly it is going to appear. And here is a Leslie Ramport, and here is given the text, the title as well as the publisher's references, and this is the next page. So let us run this one and we'll see what is the font it is showing. So when you run this one, you can see over here, because it's begin with the bibliography, so you are having a bibliography like a reference with respect to the bibliography title is being shown over here, and with the author's name is here, and with the number 1, because it is starting with the first \bib items with the Lamport. Okay, so when we give as a 1, so exactly where this 1 is coming from, that we will be seeing with respect to the number of examples. Now when we give a number 1, the first title name is LaTeX, a document text, and everything from here it is being appearing in this particular formats. Now this is a simple example with respect to. So now let us take one and another example, additional things over here. What we try to do is that we will try to create a \, let me take your bib items, bib. So automatically it is coming over here. Okay, let us create some text like Adarsh. Okay, and here for reference purpose we create a \emph and with the text. Okay, so we will with the text. So let us write one text, a book on dental. Okay, now we put that much reference, and for your additional purpose, let us write here 2020. Okay, now we will run this one. So automatically you can see a second book has appeared over here. Okay, this is the second book which has been used for your understanding purpose, that a particular book is being there. Now since we have given there, so it is our duty to highlight here, then only the author name will be appearing. So you can see the author name has appeared here, because we have given a bib items of what? Adarsh. So unless and until we don't give the reference with respect to the bib items Adarsh, it will not able to identify what is the tag with respect to this a book of dental. So the tag is Adarsh, and that's why that is being appearing in these forms. Like this we can still create, let me take this one, and we will put one more book like us here, and we will put as Ardra, and here also Ardra, a book on commerce, and year 2020. Let me put it like this one, and we'll run it. So you can see the bibliography has shown the reference. Now we go to the next line. Now here we are writing a title. What is the title? Bibliography using LaTeX. Okay, and here is the text is given, writing a text here. India is a world largest democracy. Like this one, a text is written, and here at this particular point you see the site. I was talking to you about the site. So when we type, just let us write site. When we write site, automatically it is going to show you the bib. So automatically you have to identify where is this particular site is being you are pointing to. So this site is showing as let me put as okay, I will put as a 10 here for your understanding. The next line, it is continuations of this one, and here is again a site is coming where you can see a site underscore site 2 underscore site 2 is shown here, and here it is showing site 3, here it is showing site 0. So let us see what exactly when you run this command, how this one is coming. So when you run this command, the first thing is that based on this title of bibliography, you have got this bibliography using LaTeX, and automatically date will be popping up because you have used the make title, so automatically this one will pop up. Now here is the text. You just see the text very carefully, and you will be observing that on one point of the citation, say all aspects, after that it is a question mark, but after that the next second citation is showing and the third citation is showing. Now the question comes, where exactly this question, why the question mark has come, why it has not shown in the form of 1. So we will see this one. When we started from here, make title, we starting with the title. Here what we did, check the bibliography in the next page. Okay, so we are going to our next space. So in the next page, what is seen is that here is a 1, 2, 3 very clearly defined, but there is no numbering is being shown with respect to 10. Let me put it as 4 also, and let us see if in 4 it is running or not. In 4 also this is question mark, but the moment we change this one to 1, when we change this one to 1, automatically you can see this one, it become okay, because the bibliography in the with the reference where you want to do this is a citations, whereas citations when we type the word citations, automatically it is referring to where this particular references is being pointing to. So that is how, but bibliography is to list out the references that will really going to give you a reference with respect to the citation. So here you are giving a bib items 1, bib items 2, bib items 3. So this is the bib items reference which is enclosed here, that is the as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here is your whatever you have written, that is being shown over here. So this is the bib item bibliographies with respect to the references. That is what you can see in the very first page also. This is the same thing was explained. So here, because of the clear defining of references, we have shown over here. Let me put this text in a further. The book of you can put it as a book of dental, a book of let me put as a book of dental was referred in the, let me put it this one as 4, referred in the 4. We are putting this one as 4, and here what we will be doing, we will be writing backslash bib item. Automatically it this has come, bib item has come, so we will put it this one as 4, and here we will use the entire things over here, what was written for with respect to others and the remaining. So we will take it here others, and followed by we will write, we will take for understanding EMPH, and it's a year, and based on this one we will try to run it, and we have added 4th items, and you can see here a book of dental was referred in 4. So that's how we add the bibliography and the citations. So with this, you got the idea of bibliography and citations. So let me conclude here. Thank you.